Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, April 28th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's get into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. Very little movement, very steady cryptocurrency market. Let's get right into the price of Bitcoin, which is at $7,697, up 0.5% from yesterday. Ethereum down 1.6% at $194.28. Dash took a huge hit, down 4.4% at $80.93. And Litecoin down 2.3% at $43.81. Join us later today when we go over the top news articles written in the last 24 hours to see if there's any predictions on the future of Bitcoin. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you later today.